Snapchat isn't just a boring social network. It's filled with fun features that let you express yourself to your friends. From Bitmojis and stickers to setting statuses on SnapMap, Snapchat is truly a unique messaging app. Drawings are one of the oldest features in Snapchat, but they've come a long way in the last decade. If you want to make your drawing bigger in Snapchat, we've got you covered. To start using the paintbrush tool in Snapchat, grab your phone and open the app. Snap a quick photo in the viewfinder, then tap on the pencil icon to open the drawing interface. Your color slider is along the right side of the app, and you can switch palettes by tapping on the icon below it. You can also draw with emojis by tapping on the emoji icon below the palette selection. Of course, with those icons being the only options available when you're actively drawing, you might be curious how to make your drawing larger. The easiest way is to make sure that you're drawing with a larger pen. Use 2 fingers to pinch and zoom out while in drawing mode to increase your brush size. You'll see your current color increase in size within the app, and you can repeat this process to enlarge or shrink your brush size as needed. Okay, but what if you already drew something and you want it to appear larger within the app? Snapchat doesn't allow you to create a sticker with the snip tool from objects you've painted, but with a quick workaround, you can save your drawing as a sticker to use again and again. On your snap, tap the save icon in the lower left-hand corner to save it to your phone. Leave your snap, then head to the Memories tab by clicking the icon below the shutter button. Now, the app opens directly to the Snaps tab, but you need to make sure you're using a version saved directly to your camera roll. If your snap doesn't appear in the camera roll tab, make sure you tap the triple dotted icon in the upper right corner of your snap, then tap Export and save the image to your phone. Now, with the snap saved to your camera roll, tap the triple dotted menu icon and select Edit Photo. If you see Edit Snap, you aren't using a version saved to your phone. Select the scissor tool from the Editing Tools menu, then paint around your drawing to select it. This creates a cloned sticker version of your drawing, which you can make larger or smaller using pinch to zoom, and can use again at any time by tapping the scissor icon inside the stickers menu. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Snapchat and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos. We think you might enjoy.